Hi guys, good day. Now I'm gonna teach you how you can use state in React Native. So this is the output of our app. So once you add, ganyan, then minus, yan. So yung value na na-add, na-store siya dun sa state. So dito. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, let's start. So as you can see on my screen, I have this initial template. I already cleaned it out. If you want to know how I install initial template of React Native, please watch my previous tutorial. Okay, so initially I adjusted the template to show my nickname, Eric, as you can see on this Android device. Now let's start. We will add plus, tapos the number in the middle, and then the negative, plus number, and then the minus. Okay, so we can do that by adding, let's add view, and then let's put it here. Let's declare variable counter, have a 0 default number, and then here let's display it here 0. Okay, so 0 na siya. Then let's add button, touchable opacity. All right, and then text within it, the plus. Then let's just copy it and paste. Yeah, you can do the copy and paste. You can do the copy and paste by pressing Control, then C when you copy it, and then Control B when you paste it. Okay. Tama ba? Tama yun. Yan, you see it's we have a plus, 0, and then minus, but I want it to be in the middle of the mobile phone screen, so let's add some style shape, and then let's add const styles, style create, then container. So let's add this container here. So I'll show you how I container. Let's make it capital. Okay, so first I'm gonna add flex 1 para ma-occupy natin yung buong screen, and then flex direction, kasi by default nakaganyan yan column yan kaya ganyan let's make it row instead. So we'll just save it, and naman na-notice nyo nasa one line na lang sila, and then I want it to be in center, say align center, and then justify center. Alright, so yun na. Then let's adjust the text. Medyo palakihin natin siya. Let's add new style. And then let's make it a font size is 20. And then font weight, let's make it bold. Then itong mga to, styles dot text. Let's add it here and add it here. All right, you see? Okay. And then style natin yung bottom. Margin, let's make it 10. Align, center it. Justify, let's center it too. And then background color, I want it to be orange. FFA 500. That's orange. So let's add it here. Style button. Alright, so yun siya. Kailang maliit. Let's add height 100, width 100, that's semicolon. Alright, so yun na siya. Yan. Let's add another. I want to have a little bit space in between, you know, between 0. Punta tayo dito. So to do that, diba text, let's just add this. And then another style, say margin 20. Oh, wrong number. Sorry. It should not be here. Let's be here dito. Alright. Okay. So ito lang dinagdag ko dyan. So once I save, see, it is adjusted. So okay, the only left is the function. Okay, now do you think it will work if I add this? Kasi once we tap the plus, it should increment. Let's add on press, and then do you think it should work like this? Let's try. So it's not sa form coding, ganito yung yung way ng pag-increment ng value sa variable. So it doesn't work, diba? Hindi ko na-add dito kasi it doesn't work already. So what are we gonna do is to use state. So yung state kasi we can use it to store number, string, array. So yun yung ginagamit dito sa mobile development or React Native development. So useState. Yeah, that's what we need. And then let's make it const instead, and then open close bracket, then set counter. Then let's have a default value 0. Once I save it, the default value should be 0. See, it says 0. I'll make it 500. 500, and it doesn't work. Why? Because it's error here. So it's 500, diba? So kanina I forgot to change the 0 to counter variable. Let's try if the previous code will work. Kasi 0 siya eh. So let's just see. See, it doesn't work, diba? Doesn't work. Oops. But yeah, still doesn't work, diba? Sorry, I forgot to change it. Pero that's the proof that this code doesn't work in React Native development. Okay, let's do this state now, and then save it again. All right. Hindi ganito yung way ng pag-increment. So what we're gonna do is to do this. Yung previous value niya, kasi by default we have 500, diba? And then like this. I-hide natin to para makita. Then plus. So it should work now. Yan. Diba nag-work siya? So let's do the same with the minus. Ganito lang natin siya. Let's copy and paste to save us some typing. Yeah. Alright, once I press minus, I haven't changed the operator. Okay, so minus na. Yeah. So yun, ganun ang paggamit ng useState. So let's make it 0, and then let's do it again. Okay, all right. So this approach, guys, of coding is a functional component way. So I'm gonna show you next how we converted this to a class component. So just stay tuned, guys. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share this video on Facebook, and then what else? Support my channel, guys, by watching it. You can comment which tutorial you want in programming. Let's see if I can create one based on your requested tutorial. So okay, so let's do the class component now.